Girl. Let me just say, Diana. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's one half of DXA and I'm so happy to be back on your screens once again. I'm just going to be talking a little bit about my wig. I did a reel on this wig before. It's that lit. Like, this wig is a synthetic wig and I cannot believe how beautiful and how real it looks. I'm gonna tell y'all why I got it. So clearly, this is all of my hair. I typically wear my hair out. However, if I'm going somewhere and my hair isn't done, and this is an example of my hair being done, or if I just want a different look, I will pop on one of my wigs. This is not like, oh, I'm not embracing my locks, or no, it's none of that, relax. I just like wigs. I first saw this wig on Kelly Augustine's Instagram, and Kelly is a Bronx girl like myself, so I had to go ahead and support. Kelly posted this wig, and y'all, when I say I was shooketh, I was shook. So I went ahead and I bought the wig. Let me just say, I'm so happy I did because it's super clutch. I was not disappointed. I was very well pleased. I paid $36 for this wig, y'all. $36, y'all. This wig, So of course it's synthetic, so I'm not expecting to last me as long as my wig that I would typically wear, my straight hair wig. And I'm a straight hair wig girl. Like, I only like straight hair wigs. But this one really set off. I got color 1B. I got it within a week from ordering it. It is shipped and sold by Hairstyles 21. It's 100% premium fiber, so again, synthetic. So I had my sister-in-law cut the lace, so it kind of just looks like a closure wig. The length, let me see, what length did I get? What length is this? I don't see the length. See the length? Y'all, I don't know the length. I'm gonna put on my stocking cap and show y'all how it looks under my straight hair wig and why I just needed a bigger hairstyle to kind of like shadow it and make it not be as apparent like I got a whole bunch of hair under this wig. Okay, y'all, so this is human hair. I paid a pretty penny for this wig, for the hair and the wig to be made. It's a closure wig. Bought this wig in February and I loved it. I still love it. I still wear it. I'm still gonna wear it. I'm gonna keep it forever. Anyways, so here's the wig. I couldn't find my wig brush to kind of brush it down to show you guys how I would typically wear this wig, but it's kind of, y'all, do you see this? Do you see this Humpty Dumpty Doo? It's not doing anything for me. It's not saying anything for me anymore. So, yeah, it's gotta go. So, the moment you've been waiting for. My husband says I look really Jamaican in this wig. Dang, this wig is so light. I might not put it on 100% right now, but I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to put on. Bim bam boom. She's on, she's cute, she's ready for the world. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see how light and flowy and just, even though the hair is still, it's big, right? But you can't really tell that I have a whole bunch of locks under this hair. I got mousse here to kind of like flatten the top. Do something like that so that it gives it a little bit more like natural, straight at the top, but curly, big. I know, I'm not a hairstylist, y'all. Don't come for me. Do not come for me. I'm just recommending this hair because it's cute, period. Y'all, girl, what is you waiting on, girl? What is you waiting on? Go and get this wig. So, I have this lighter stocking cap. It's lighter than me, but, oh God. I will not keep this wig on all day because in Florida it get hot and I'm not about to keep this wig on all day. This hair is great for a vacation, for the summertime. Like, are you kidding me? It's a great protective style. I gotta stop. Okay, I'm done. If you guys like this video, please give it a comment down below. Like this video, share this video. Please let me know what you think. If you want to see me do more hair tutorials Or if you want to see me do more hair reviews, I would greatly appreciate all of your feedback. We love you guys. Don't forget, hit that bell so you get a notification every single time we upload a video. Stay blessed, y'all. This is a terrible video. This is not going well. This is way too far. Please, y'all, don't come for my makeup. I don't know how to do makeup. I thought my husband was coming back. Ooh, child. Oh, this lighting. This lighting though. Leave a comment down below. Okay, Diana Ross. Diana who? Who, honey?